You're more likely to develop erectile dysfunction if you have heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and certain chronic diseases. Taking steps to avoid or manage these conditions effectively may help prevent ED. To minimize the risk for ED, try the following measures. 1. Eat a healthy diet. A 2020 study in JAMA Network Open found that men who ate lots of vegetables, fruits, nuts, legumes, beans, peas, and lentils, and fish but avoided red and processed meats had a reduced risk for erectile dysfunction. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. According to research, obesity seems to increase the risk for erectile dysfunction because of all the complications it comes with. 3. Exercise regularly. Studies show that getting moderate or high levels of physical activity may reduce the risk for erectile dysfunction. Other research has found that men with erectile dysfunction who start working out regularly have improved erections. 4. Don't smoke. Count avoiding erectile dysfunction as yet another reason to avoid tobacco and kick the habit if you smoke. One study found that smokers are 51% more likely than non-smokers to have erectile dysfunction. 5. Watch your drinking. If you drink heavily, you're 3 times more likely to have erectile dysfunction than someone who never drinks alcohol. Men who have difficulties with ED often experience another sexual problem, premature ejaculation, PE. When PE occurs, you are able to have an erection but ejaculate sooner than desired. By one estimate, 31% of men aged 18 to 59 experience PE at one time or another. Doctors believe that ED and PE may be linked. If a man or a person has had ED in the past, they may ejaculate quickly out of fear that they will quickly lose their erection. Having ED can cause serious problems in a romantic relationship. That's because ED doesn't just affect an individual. It's often called a couple's disease.